had to be a member of the Japanese royal family or a prominent figure in your field to acquire a Toyota Century. The car was known only to the world's most privileged. However, with regard to 2026, the lid is off and the secret is out. An eminent vehicle in its own right, the 2026 Century GT Coupe debuted as the pinnacle of the newly autonomous Century brand. Designed with a degree of monozukuri craftsmanship that makes European luxury feel like mass manufacturing, it is Japan's response to the Rolls-Royce, Spectre, and Bentley Continental GT. It's the pinnacle of Japanese luxury automobile design. Its existence is immediately apparent. It stands tall, is enormous, and has zero trendy aggressive lines. Subtle and unassuming, it demands respect without demanding recognition. Rather, from being sprayed on, the flare orange launch color that was originally seen on the idea was carefully chosen. With its 60 distinct coats of hand-polished lacquer, the automobile gives the impression of depth, as if molten magma were contained behind the glass. A single automobile takes weeks to paint. The grille showcases a meticulously carved Golden Phoenix logo and is expertly produced utilizing the Kumiko woodworking method, which is applied to metal. Just the Phoenix, no Toyota symbol. Huge electric sliding doors are a technical marvel on the Century GT Coupe, taking design cues from the front doors of traditional Japanese tea rooms. The back doors fold back, removing the B-pillar completely, allowing you to stroll right into the car rather than having to climb in. An exception to the rule is the Century GT, a chauffeur coupe that caters to those who desire the elegance of a two-door Grand Tourer with the comfort and convenience of a limousine. Removing the front passenger seat entirely is the most luxurious option. The result is an enormous amount of legroom in the back VIP seat, which can be folded down into a bed with a footrest that reaches all the way to the dashboard. Authentic Japanese craftsmanship is on display in the furnishings. Woven Nishijin Ori silk upholstery, which is both more breathable than leather and has a delicate iridescent sheen, complements the Wajima Urushi lacquer trim, which is the same finish used on imperial dinnerware. Zero noise has been achieved by Toyota engineers. The outside world seems to vanish thanks to the active noise-canceling technology and the practically soundproof glass walls. This car is designed for dignified speed, despite the GT designation suggesting otherwise. It shares the Century SUV's cutting-edge 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid powertrain with this GT variant. As a result of its 406-plus horsepower total system output, acceleration is smooth and unhurried, like the tides. The vehicle rides a torque wave forward, putting acceleration from 0 to 60 mph second to last. Before you hit any bumps in the road, the air suspension will adjust the shock absorbers based on what it sees. The vehicle floats just inches off the ground rather than riding it. Despite being 18 feet long, this land yacht can turn its back wheels up to 10 degrees, giving it the agility of a small car and making short work of narrow driveways or busy streets.